signs you're with the man you should marry. 1. Nothing about your current relationship gives you anxiety. Not to say that relationships don't take work and go through good and bad times. But none of the anxiety you've had in previous relationships about how your futures align, or how much he likes you compared to how much you like him are present. You feel secure and safe in this relationship, because it is secure and safe. 2. He's receptive to feedback. There's not much you'd change about him, but when you tell him something he did bothered you, he listens and makes an effort to be better. And you do the same for him. 3. You feel no shame talking about how happy you are around friends. This isn't a relationship you're constantly troubleshooting with a group text or over brunch. When you talk about this guy, you're talking about some great thing he did recently, or how nice your weekend away was. You're in love, and you're so damn happy about it. 4. You trust him to run your errands for you. This may seem small, but a guy who can pick up that thing you forgot at the grocery store, without complaining, or grab the dry cleaning you keep neglecting is true marriage material. 5. He feels totally comfortable as your plus one in all situations. Work drinks that you already know will be stiff and awkward? No problem. Best friend's birthday dinner where he knows you'll probably be too busy to actually hang out with just him? Sounds great. He's supportive and happy to be around you, and would never badger you to leave an event you brought him to, just because he'd rather be at home on the couch. 6. He always brags about you. If you get a promotion at work or even just win concert tickets, he can't resist telling everyone you hang out with before you even think to mention it. Because he's your biggest fan, arguably next to your mom. 7. He makes sacrifices for you and you're happy to do the same for him. He'll move cities to live with you if you get a new job or finish grad school. You're happy to make the next move for one of his opportunities. 8. He shares the same values as you. You know you both want kids and expect to split the child care equally. Or maybe you know you both want kids and he wants to take extended paternity leave. Maybe you've also agreed that you should each get 45 minutes to yourself to go to the gym every day, or you plan to buy a home and move to the suburbs in 5 years. You know you're on the same page with things that matter most to you because you've discussed them. 9. Even after years together he still does little chivalrous things for you. Like open doors for you, or carry you to your doorstep when your feet hurt after wearing high heels all day and you just can't bear to walk one more block. 10. He doesn't try to change you. He knows you're messier than him, that you always need a pet cat, and can't cook to save your life, and all of that is all right by him. 11. When you think about marrying him, the best part isn't the wedding, it's the idea of spending your lives together. The wedding is fun, but you really can't wait for the 2 weeks right after when you'll get uninterrupted honeymoon time. 12. You survived a long-distance relationship. It was hard and scary, but you love each other so much that you were able to make the necessary sacrifices to make it through with a singular goal in mind, living in the same place and being together when it was all over. 13. You can cry in front of him without feeling embarrassed. He knows when to worry and when you're just caught up in a scene of a movie. 14. He's close with your family, and he's made sure you've gotten to know his. He'll call your dad or your grandma without any hesitation. It just makes sense that you'd go to his nephew's birthday party, even if he's not there. 15. He works hard at his job, but you're his priority. If you ask him to go to an event that's important to you, he's not afraid to step out of the office to accompany you. He'll figure out a way to get his work done, just as you would do for him. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.